Hey, how's it going? And this is just a quick update on a video I just did about how to display an image with the trigger inverse code. And in that one, I canceled the subscription. I put the cancelable in an array, and in this, I modified the code so where I put the cancelable in an option container. And you don't usually see I haven't really seen a tutorial about this, so I figured I'd just give you a quick update. So this is a little bit cleaner way to do it. This is the same as the other tutorial, but instead of putting it in an array, we're putting it in a option. In this line of code, instead of doing an array, we're putting the cancelable into a option container, and we're calling it sub. So that's all we have to do. And then down here, once we get the event, the triggered event that we're subscribing to, the subscription, we're assigning it to the option. So here we're setting sub up here to the option on this line of code right there. And then lastly, what we do is we query it down here. When we go to cancel the sub, the cancelable's in there, then we assign it to found agent, and then we cancel. And this works just as well as the other method. In fact, I think this is a little bit cleaner because we don't have to use the index or create an array. But I just wanted to show that a cancelable can be stored as an option as well as in an array. Normally you see it in an array, and so I just thought it'd be cool to show it as in an option container. So this way I think works even better than the other way. If we go into the game and go play, just to show you that this works, I go start game, come over here, cross over, and there's our message displays. And so it works just as it was working before. So anyway, I hope you found this helpful. Take care, have a great day, and I'll talk to you next time.